Today neighborhoods are built pretty much like they were for the last 100 years, where it's just developers and banks buy land and build houses and sell them to people. And people who are living there don't participate in the design of the neighborhood. There's mass agreement that we need to do things differently. If we don't participate and create this future, more beautiful world that we want for our kids and grandkids, then we're going to inherit the one that's created for us. It's an opportunity to create these kind of local regenerative ecosystems.
Interesting. The motive and the vision is much bigger than just each individual family having their own home, right? It's like the capacity to ease the friction to communal living in a way that's scalable, sustainable.
Yeah, and that's where we want to really create a platform so that people can come together in a digital space, align on what their shared purpose is, and participate in the design of their village.